gone to polls, Bihar ranks the lowest on the Human Development Index. Take us through the key issues for voters in Purnia. And as far as the politics is concerned, we're told some experts say that neither the JDU nor the RJD in Purnia, all eyes on Pappu Yadav on whether he'll be the king or the kingmaker.
Yeah, exactly. And Pappu Yadav has made Purnia the hot seat of Bihar. Pappu Yadav is in the capacity of an independent candidate. He was to get a ticket from Congress, but later he was denied. And the way he contested the entire election, all the eyeballs were on Pappu Yadav. Nobody's talking about the India Alliance candidate or the NDA candidate for that matter. I'm at one of the polling stations where Pappu Yadav would cast his vote. He would be coming here around in half an hour to cast his vote. So this is his polling station, and very comforting pictures coming from here. You can see the long queue. We were here at 6 in the morning, an hour before the polling actually started. Long queues of people waiting patiently for polling to begin, and they were all here, ladies, men, women, they were all here, and they were very eager to actually participate in the democratic process. And I'm also, as far as the issues in particular region is concerned, this is the Kosi Simanchal region of Bihar. The minority politics actually plays in the core of the political rhetoric here. So this entire region is dominated by, has a very large minority population. And that's the reason why all the opposition, all the parties actually play around this particular core region. But what about the first-time voters? What about the youngsters? What do they have there in mind? And how do they decide which party to choose for? अब बताइए, आप जब वोट करती हैं तो क्या इश्यूज होता है, क्योंकि जो बड़े बड़े नेता हैं दे टॉक अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स, दे टॉक अबाउट माइनॉरिटीज, बट एज अ यंगस्टर हाउ डू यू डिसाइड विच पार्टी टू वोट फॉर?
पहली बात तो ऐसा होता है कि चुनाव के टाइम पे ये लोग घर घर जाएंगे, जाकर के मिन्नतें करेंगे वगैरह वगैरह चीजें कि इनको वोट चाहिए और चुनाव जीते. अच्छी बात है, वो हम लोग भी चाहते हैं कि हमारे तरफ से एक लीडर हो जो कि हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स को सुने और वो काम करे, तो काम करे तो वगैरह चीजें. लेकिन ये होता है कि इलेक्शन जीतने के बाद वो लोग,
आपके इश्यूज क्या होते हैं? आप पहली बार वोट डाल रही हैं? आप जब डिसाइड करती हैं तो आप अपने नेता को कैसे चुनती हैं? मतलब क्या वो जो भाषण देते हैं उस पर डिसाइड करती है या आपके दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा होता है?
जी नहीं, हम एक उम्मीद लेकर के चुनते हैं कि शायद जैसे कि पास्ट की चीज़ों को देखते हैं, अगर उन्होंने बेटर काम किया होता है तो हम उस चीज़ों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए कि सोचते हैं कि वापस शायद वो इससे बेटर काम करे, तो हम उन्हें फिर से उम्मीदवार के तौर पर चुनते हैं.
So, remember politically this particular phase in Bihar, the 5 Lok Sabha polls happening in Purnia, Katihar, Kishanganj, Banka and Bhagalpur. It is very crucial, especially for the India Alliance parties, because this is the phase where they can actually score. Remember, this is a minority-dominated phases. This entire region of the Kosi and the Simanchal region, this is where they have been traditionally doing better, and BJP has been on a weak ground. So BJP has to catch up as far as this particular phase is concerned, and the India Alliance has to hold on to their fort. So this would be a very interesting battle today, which will be played in 5 of the Lok Sabha constituencies here in Bihar. Yeah.
Prabhakar, thank you so much for joining us with that detailed update. We will, of course, revert to you for regular updates through the course of the day. Let's turn our attention now to Uttar Pradesh, where 8 of the 80 seats are voting in the second phase. My colleague Vedant Agarwal joins us live from Noida. Vedant, take us through the noteworthy contenders. And is this election different from earlier elections? What are the voters saying?
Well, Parmeshwar, as you said, Noida, of course, is in Uttar Pradesh, but very close to the national capital, which is why it is such a hot seat. And this time again, there's Mahesh Sharma, former minister, also a BJP strongman in the fray, also Mahendra Singh Nagar. But let me show you around here a bit. In Noida, of course, it's the urban voters who really hold the key to a victory in this seat. And we saw some early morning voters here, some those women on their morning walks, etc. And a young voter here as well. Let me get in a sense from him. What's your name?
My name is Ishan.
So, quite early morning for you. You've come to cast your vote. As a young voter, as a first-time voter, what are your issues? What do you cast your vote on?
Well, I am casting my vote based on just one thing. I want a government which is stable. I don't want a coalition. I don't want instability in my country. And that is what I'm voting for.
Okay. And what does stability in a government mean for you?
Stability in the government means someone who has clear majority, someone who, can make his decisions, can take stand for himself and does not come under pressure.
That's a very interesting, perspective there from a young first-time voter who's saying that stability in a government is very important. Sir, आपका नाम बताइए.
संजीव भार्गव.
भार्गव साहब, अभी ये बता रहे थे कि स्टेबिलिटी गवर्नमेंट में बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन आप लोग किन मुद्दों पर वोट करें? यहाँ पर एक नोएडा में एक बड़ा इशू है कि अर्बन एपैथी बहुत है, लोग वोट कम करने आए। पिछली बार भी लगभग 60% था वोट परसेंटेज, वोट शेयर। वो आपको लगता है कि धीरे धीरे और ज्यादा बढ़ रही है बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्लेसेंसी?
No. This year, the people are very energetic and enthusiastic. And within our sector and locality also, we are promoting them to come out, whichever party they vote for. We are promoting them to come out and vote. Even if they don't like the candidate, press the nota. But come out and vote. Come out and vote as per your choice. I personally feel that this should be for the development, performance, stability, all those things.
You've cast your vote?
Yes, I've cast.
Okay, you've cast your vote there. So some early morning voters here. Let me get in a sense from some women here as well. आप लोग ने अपना वोट कास्ट कर लिया मैम? अभी वेट कर रहे हैं.
We are doing the service. You are taking mobiles of the people, and because mobile is not allowed inside.
And then you'll cast your vote later after.
I'm going to cast my vote now.
So as women, what are some of the issues here? In Noida, the home buyers issue is a very prominent one. Maintenance of high-rise buildings, etc. There was a no registry, no vote campaign here as well. But as women, of an urban center like Noida, what are your issues?
I think there is not much issues in the Noida. It has developed very fast,
right.
And like they are doing very well in Noida, and they have developed very much. And as you said, the property-wise, then it's everywhere. That problem is everywhere,
right.
Not in Noida only.
Right.
So
with development comes some sort of shortcomings as well. What do you see in a candidate? Do you look at the larger national picture? After all, these are general elections. Do you look at larger national messaging or local issues?
I see both of the things because as a citizen of this country, national issues are equally important as well as who is the candidate. And Dr. Mahesh Sharma is a wonderful person.
Right.
He had been, serving the people of Noida for so many years, and he is highly approachable. There's no arrogance or anything like this. You cannot talk to him, you cannot phone him. Any time you can approach him, and he is always ready to help you out.
Right. So it's Mahesh Sharma versus Mahendra Singh Nagar here, of course, who's a joint SP and Congress candidate. Remember, there were multiple flip-flops. Akhilesh Yadav finally placed his bets on the Samajwadi Party veteran. It's a doctor versus doctor fight here in Noida. And remember, there are close to 25 lakh voters here. Multiple, surveys have suggested that Noida is among the highest, is among the constituencies which has the highest first-time voters. So that is also going to be crucial. And remember, it's not just Noida here in Uttar Pradesh. A couple of other important seats, including Mathura, Meerut, Amroha, Aligarh, all these crucial seats going to polls. And in the past couple of days, we saw how the campaign was sharply divided after the Prime Minister's remarks. So let's see how all of that plays out. But in Noida, it's a key urban centre. So it's the urban voters who hold the key to a victory in this crucial seat. Of course, it's known as a real estate capital. So all of those issues as well here. But voting has begun. Early morning voters here, heavy security. And Mahesh Sharma of the BJP, who is a former minister and a BJP strongman, he will be casting his vote in a short while from now, Parmeshwar.
And we will, of course, revert to you for those